KCSE results zimekuwa now just a few hours ago, lakini of course kutoka hizo results zitoke, Kenya imekuwa divided into three. One, kuna celebrators of course, wao watoto wao walipita and all that, na kuna wenye sasa students wamepotea kabisa, hawaonekani mahali, hata ukijaribu kumpigia simu hapatikani hata kidogo. Na kuna wengine philosophers wanasema results are not everything, kuna maisha after that. Lakini kuna wenye of course wazazi walikuwa wanauliza watoto wao, wewe ulipata ngapi? Ukisikia tu ati ngoja nitakutumia screenshot ujue kulikuwa kubaya sana. But of course kuna watu wengine of course walikuwa wanaona results tu hivi, kasimu kanaingia airplane mode bila hata permanently, bila kujua. But then ni kitu yenye naweza ambia mazee, kitu yenye tu umepata tu, where you tried your best and congratulations by the way. Usipatie pressure hata kidogo. Hiyo ndo grade yako, jua venye utafanya nayo na usonge mbele, kwani iko nini?